You forgot what to say during one of your favorite speech or favorite presentation. What to do next? Don't worry, I will give you 2 tips today how to manage that uncomfortable situation. Number 1, so if it is a PPT presentation, like if you are presenting it through a PPT, what you can do is you just press the remote, change the slide, and then you can say moving on to, so you get few seconds to rethink like what are you saying, or if you forget what is on the slide, that's absolutely okay. You can just move on to the next concept, right? Number 2, so if you are presenting with slides or without slides, or normally without any PPT, that doesn't matter. So this technique, you can use it everywhere. So you can say that anybody here has any doubts before we go ahead, so that you pause for a few seconds, and then if they come up with any doubts, so that way you manage the situation. So hope that works. So recently, what happened is during one of my speeches, one of my presentation in a sports academy, what happened is I had prepared for a 45 minutes presentation, but 45 minutes training, but then the time was reduced to 30 minutes. So what I did is, I completely forgot one concept, and then like nobody knew about it. Always remember that the audience doesn't know what is your content, what content you have planned. They do not know anything about it, right? They just know you, they are looking at you, right? So there's nothing to worry, because they will not judge you based on what you forgot, right? So that was like, I handled it really well, because the concept, although I forgot, the examples I forgot, so I was able to complete it on time. So your audience doesn't judge you based on like what you forgot. Your content is yours, just know it, right? So go ahead and rock.